Welcome to this meditation for inner peace and emotional healing. This time is for you, a moment to reconnect with your heart, let go of past hurts, and find a deep, calming sense of peace within. Begin by finding a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding. Take another slow, deep breath, letting it soften your body as you exhale. With each breath, allow yourself to settle deeper into relaxation. There is nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to do. This moment is for you. Begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your breath. Feel the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Allow your breath to be soft, slow, and natural. With each exhale, let go of any worries, any distractions, allowing yourself to become fully present in this moment. As you settle into this stillness, let's do a gentle scan of your body. Starting at the top of your head, notice any tension in your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. With each exhale, let go of any tightness, inviting relaxation into your face and head. Move your awareness down to your shoulders and neck. Often, we hold tension here. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, feel your shoulders release, softening and relaxing. Let this relaxation flow down through your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Continue scanning down through your chest and abdomen, releasing any tightness with each exhale. Allow your stomach to relax, giving yourself permission to fully let go. Let the wave of relaxation travel down through your hips, thighs, knees, and legs, all the way to your toes. Your entire body is now calm, relaxed, and at peace. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center, the space in the middle of your chest. Place a gentle hand here if you wish, feeling the warmth of your palm against your chest. Breathe into this space, noticing any emotions, feelings, or sensations present here. This is the center of your emotional self, a place where feelings are often stored. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any emotional tension you may be holding. Allow yourself to feel safe in this moment, knowing that it's okay to let go of anything you've been carrying. You are safe. You are supported. If any emotions come up, allow them to be present without judgment. Simply observe them, acknowledging them, and letting them flow naturally. Imagine each exhale carrying away any emotional burdens, allowing your heart to feel lighter and more open. Visualization for inner peace now. Let's create a vision of peace within you. Picture yourself standing in a serene, safe place, a place where you feel completely at ease. This could be a beach at sunset, a peaceful meadow, or perhaps a forest clearing. Imagine yourself there, surrounded by nature's beauty and tranquility. As you stand here, feel the peacefulness of this place seep into your being. With each breath, feel this calm energy flowing into you, filling your body and mind with peace. The air is warm, and you feel a gentle breeze around you, carrying away any worries or fears. You are safe, you are at peace, and you are free to let go. Imagine the warm, golden light of the sun gently surrounding you, covering you with healing energy. This light represents peace, love, and healing. With each breath, feel this light becoming brighter, filling every part of your body, bringing warmth and comfort. Allow this light to reach into the deepest parts of you, touching any areas that feel wounded, tired, or tense. Feel the healing energy of this light soothing you, filling you with peace. You are whole, you are loved, and you are enough. Now, let's affirm some words of peace and healing. Silently repeat these phrases to yourself, letting each one sink into your heart. I release what no longer serves me. I am safe. I am supported. I am whole. I allow myself to heal and let go. I welcome peace into my heart and mind. I am worthy of love, peace, and joy. As you repeat each affirmation, feel its truth resonating within you. Let go of any resistance and allow these words to become a part of your inner being. Take a moment now to bring a sense of gratitude into your heart. Think of one or two things you are truly grateful for, whether it's the love of someone in your life, a personal strength, or simply this time you've given to yourself. Allow this feeling of gratitude to fill your heart, expanding outward, filling you with warmth. Now, extend this warmth to yourself with compassion. You are human, you are growing, and you are worthy of kindness. Offer yourself the same compassion you would to a dear friend. Repeat to yourself, I am gentle with myself. I am healing. I am growing. Feel the love and compassion flowing through you, creating a deep sense of inner peace and calm. You are exactly where you need to be in this moment. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room, taking a few deep breaths. Notice the surface beneath you, the sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing movement back into your body. When you're ready, take a final deep breath in, filling yourself with peace and calm. As you exhale, open your eyes, bringing with you the sense of inner peace and emotional healing you have cultivated here today. Thank yourself for taking this time for nurturing your heart and mind. Know that you can return to this place of inner peace whenever you need to. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day, and remember you are at peace, you are whole, and you are loved.